Hi guys. So ever since I realized that one of my two of my budgies are pied budgies, P-I-E-D, pied, I started doing a little bit of research, digging into different kinds and colorings of pied budgies and this sort of thing. So this one that I'm following around, she's definitely pied. And then this guy up here, this is the one I thought was female because of the pink Sarah, but that is a male pied budgie. So I will link in the description a really great article that I found on pied budgies. This one may also arguably be pied because of the white wing feathers and the patch on the back of his head. And a lot of my budgies have that patch on the back of their head because Dad was a pied budgie. I didn't know what that meant at the time, but in learning a lot about these little guys, I'm finding out what these different mutations are. So go ahead and follow the link in the description if you're interested in learning a little bit about pied budgie mutations.